special project right here, Bugatti Pur Sport. This is a crazy one with the white and orange interior. We put on this little custom Camillo plate, basically representing a young boy that got a heart transplant. Check out his page, official Camillo story. He loves Bugattis and he's a brave warrior. So this car is a crazy representation of him. But did a bunch of work on this car. Not gonna say what it is exactly, but worked plenty on it. Looks incredible. It is nearly a $5 million car, and we're super proud that we're able to work on such beautiful machines like this. Look at that white and orange, crazy look. Guys, we have this crazy project behind us, Mansory Urus Performante. This is the new kit from Mansory. It looks a little bit similar, but there's a lot of changes. The hood is more drastic, the front bumper is more drastic, has this really cool LED lights on the front now. Pretty much a new design there. The flares are newly designed. Looks incredible, honestly, the new kit. So very excited to be wrapping this up. As you can see right now, full forged carbon fiber. I mean, look at that thing. It's all exposed right now. We are figuring out the theme to wrap. And these guys know this car was a red color and now it is a wrapped red color. But honestly, this red color is beautiful. It's like a metallic, super high gloss red. Looks incredible. Doesn't look like a standard red. I guess that's what the customer wanted, a more special one. Fenders are changed. Those are the Mansory fenders on there. We still have to put all the wide body flares, all that stuff. There's still missing pieces on this bumper. This bumper is so many pieces, it's crazy. All of this has been clear coated several times and we have a lot more work to go. So we're gonna be wrapping up the front end of this, kind of trying to figure out the design to it, because a lot of the Mansory builds I've seen out there hasn't been to my liking. So we're gonna try to give it a little bit of RDB touch. It's getting Mansory wheels as well. And this car, the full interior has been changed to white. It used to be black. So pretty crazy build right here. This is a big boy build. And this is the last fully naturally aspirated Urus model, obviously, because now the SE is there. But yeah, stay tuned. This is a huge one. We're gonna wrap it up soon. Right, we have another Revuelto. This is not the one that's currently parked at the shop for a few weeks for an insurance case. This is actually a new one all the way from Las Vegas, and it is here for a color change and a Duke Dynamics body kit. You guys already know the Duke Dynamic kit with the two of them so far. This is gonna be the third. And that kit, we could get them pretty fast. Price points are amazing with them. And it has those crazy red lights on the back, so people like them. This guy wants to make his car kind of the Batmobile vibe, so it's gonna go matte black, which is actually the same color as the last two we did, but pretty cool. We're gonna see if he wants to do wheels. This one has a lime green interior and brake calipers, so a little different. It's gonna be cool. I think it's gonna pop with the matte black. But yeah, we have the kit on order. We have to basically start the wrap, jump start the wrap. When the kit comes in, we could put on the rest of the kit in carbon fiber. So all the way from Vegas, little easy tow. We get it same day and we start modifying it. Hey, it's back.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Say good morning, good morning, good morning. Outside. Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing?
Oh, just finished this body work we did in this car. We changed the bumper and we changed the trunk. So we have to reuse the wing, the spoiler wing, and a couple emblems And
That's it. Canito.
yeah, vámonos para la casa.
Oh, you're going home after?
No, el carro, vámonos para la casa. Bring the glasses for my grandma.
Let me see them. They're not even like male glasses.
No, this is plastic. Actually, my wife, she used this one for, she used to be used purple hair.
match?
Yeah, Santa used pink hair.
Yeah.
She used the pink glasses. And now she has red hair. She used the red glasses.
So now you
it's
need
cool.
purple hair.
Huh?
You need purple hair. Yeah.
Maybe I do my barba, Holmes. Yeah, but
SF90 that was in a wreck, starting to have some parts for this car. There's a lot of parts that are coming. As you guys can see, the windshield is out. We're starting to take the whole car apart, so get it ready for new parts. To make this thing back to 100% again, this car was in a pretty bad accident, but when it's all said and done, it's gonna be brand new again. We got a bunch of new parts coming in. Realistically, this is a pretty big damage. Something like this can be close to around 200,000 to repair. Yeah, it's a pretty big damage. So obviously the customer is not paying that because, you know, try to help everybody out and do whatever we can to give you guys the best deal. So a new car will be much more expensive. So if you want to buy another one of these brand new ones, it's gonna cost you more. So you'd rather spend $200,000 and get it back on the road. But yeah, this car has a lot of damage, you guys. So it's not just like the physical stuff that you see like on the bottom of the bumper, the railing, all that stuff. No, but the whole car is completely pretty bad. You know, windshield, airbags, suspension, complete bottom end of the car is destroyed. You know, we have a lot of problems here, so yeah. But we're getting there.
it's really nice rims. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is off. Oh, it's on.
You know what I love?
I'm sorry. I said I played you too hard.
You know what I love? When you finish the yabs. The yabs, when you finish the
That
yabs.
one is done, the glass, all the things.
Oh, the emblem, don't forget it, Papa. It's inside the cup.
yeah,
The
it's,
clear braw's done. They did it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why the...
Sí se puede.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, who do you think's gonna win this week?
Huh?
There's a fight this week. There's a fight this week, Saturday.
Who?
Boxing fight.
Who?
Manny Pacquiao. Yeah, it's like a young kid.
50 on the Home Depot, guys.
Forgot his name.
I go 50 on
Look
the
it up, Pacquiao fight, and you'll see what it is. But they say he's good, but
50 on the Home Depot.
but I love Manny Pacquiao.
I go 50 on the Home Depot, guys.
All right, you guys. So this Range Rover that we did a makeover, okay, right in front of us. This is gonna be very, very cool. Now, this is a change like this. Actually, is where you see like a big change because we did everything completely different on this car. I think this car was satin black, if I'm not mistaken. So now we're doing silver. We're doing silver wheels. The wheels just arrived. They're here. 24-inch wheels, same wheels that he had on the car, but silver. Looks good. Let's open it up, see how it looks. Also, we're doing the grille, same color as the wrap. We're doing the emblem, same color as the wrap. This car's gonna be really cool. He's in for a big change. Here we have wheels that were damaged very badly. Look terrible. And now brushed. Beautiful. Brushed wheels, nice, looks good. So, good choice by the client. He's gonna like it. So, it's actually a surprise for his wife. So, she's gonna enjoy it. Yeah. The only surprise I got was when my parents, they used to take me to Griffith Park. It was free. All right, you guys, we have this beautiful white Porsche 911. This is probably one of my favorite cars for an everyday car. It's probably the best car you can drive every day. Sports car, quick, fast, everything looks good. This car has a problem. We have a right front caliper that's going bad, already leaking. So Javier, make it the brake and Salazar, which is right here. I don't know what the hell he's doing right now. Oh, he's testing the Mansory thing. Okay, he's not paying attention to us. Oh yeah, so back to the car. This caliper's bad. It's leaking brake fluid. And then the indicator light's coming on the dash saying brake fluid low. So we have a brand new one coming from Porsche. We should have it in the next few hours. We're gonna put it in, test everything, and make sure everything's good. And that's it. Everything else is okay on this car. And no, you do not have to change both calipers. I know you guys are gonna probably comment and say, why didn't you change the other one? You don't have to if there's no problem with it. We do not upsell, remember that.